Third year English, lecture number 54, topic The Happy Prince, chapter number 6. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Third year class, beta. How are you all? Fine? Okay, I also hope that you are fine, and I pray to Allah to keep you fine and happy forever. Ameen, summa ameen. Students, welcome to my class. And as you know that beta, we were studying the very fairy tale, that is The Happy Prince, and through this story we know that how much misery and poverty is lying in this world, and how we are unaware of the problems of our people who live around us. So the author, whose name is Oscar Wilde, beta, he gives us the message that we should look around ourselves and we shouldn't indulge in our own life, just in our own life, because other people, they also have some, you can say, some kind of duties towards us. कुछ फर्ज बनता है हमारा उनकी तरफ, being a member of the society. So beta, the Happy Prince, as he shared his previous life with the swallow, that he always remained happy and he did not know what was going on around beside his palace, and he didn't aware of the poverty, the problems of his people. So after dying, now as being a statue, he could see all the things, all the miseries of his people. So he requested swallow to take out his things like rubies and gold, you can say wings, that were put on his statue, to give them to the needy people. So beta, let's see what he says. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you not stay with me for one night and be my messenger? The boy is so thirsty and the mother is so sad. Now he is requesting swallow to stay one night with him in order to be his messenger, because he wanted to help the people. Being a statue, his foot were fastened to that particular place, so he couldn't fly like swallow. Okay, now what does the swallow reply, beta? I don't think I like boys. Now beta, he is telling him his own story, because he wants to, he didn't want to stay a night with Happy Prince because they were so cold. Last summer when I was staying on the river was, there were two rude boys, the miller's sons, who were always throwing stones at me. Now he is telling his story that last time when I was staying on the river, and there were two miller's sons. Millers के दो बेटे थे वहाँ पे. Millers में जो चक्की चलाने वाले लोग होते हैं, ठीक है. So they are very rude with me. They always throw stones at me. वो हमेशा मुझ पे पत्थर फेंकते थे. They never hit me. Of course we swallow fly far too well for that, and besides I come of a family famous for its agility, but still it was a mark of disrespect now. So beta, he says that as you know that we swallow fly high in the sky, so it was not possible for them to hit us, to hit me. And the second one is that I belong to a family who is very famous for its activeness, for its sharpness, ठीक है. बट इट वॉज स्टिल अ मार्क ऑफ डिसरिस्पेक्ट, लेकिन उसके बावजूद जो है उन्होंने मेरी डिसरिस्पेक्ट की, ठीक है. बट द हैप्पी प्रिंस लुक्ड सो सैड दैट द लिटिल स्वॉलो वाज सॉरी. अब बेटा, देन ही लुक्ड एट द हैप्पी प्रिंस हु वाज लुकिंग वेरी सैड. अब उसको ज़रा ना स्वॉलो को थोड़ा सा फील हुआ दैट ही इज़ नॉट डूइंग गुड. सो ही सेज दैट इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड हियर, ही सेड, बट आई विल स्टे विद यू for one night and be your messenger. Now he admits his proposal and he makes an agreement that I would stay with you more one night and I would help the people. Okay beta. Thank you little swallow, said the prince. So the swallow picked out the great ruby from the prince's sword and flew away with it in his beak over the roofs of the town. अब बेटा वो उसकी sword से रूबी उठा लेता है, उतार लेता है और वो टाउन की तरफ उठ जाता है in order to help the boy, ठीक है. He passed by the cathedral tower where the white marble angels were sculptured. Okay, cathedral बेटा किसको कहते हैं? चर्च को कहते हैं कि वो चर्च के जो white towers थे उनके ऊपर से गुजरता है, and with that you can say marble angels were sculpted. It was an idea or notion of the author बेटा, ठीक है, ये ऑस्कर वाइल्ड का ख्याल था किस तरह से है. So he passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover. How wonderful the stars are, he said to her, and how wonderful is the power of love. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the state ball. She answered, I have ordered passion flowers to be embroidered on it, but the seamstresses are so lazy. No, beta, look at this thing that the rich people, they are just consider their own happiness, and they don't see any people's, any women or any person's misery or problem of other people. So she is saying to her lover that I hope that my dress will be get ready. She doesn't know that Silver's child who was in a very bad condition. Okay. He passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging to the mast of the ship. He passed over the ghetto and saw the old Jews bargaining with each other. Now beta, he is flying from different places now, like over the river, and saw the lanterns hanging to the mast of the ship. So जो ship के mast हैं, जो बादबान होते हैं, उसके साथ लाल टैनें जो हैं वो hang हुई थी. He passed over the ghetto and saw the old Jews. उसने Jews को देखा bargaining with each other, जो कि एक दूसरे के साथ bargaining कर रहे थे, and weighing out money in copper scales. और copper scales में जो है वो मनी जो है वो बेटा उसको तोल रहे थे. At last he came to the poor house and looked in. उसके बाद बेटा he entered the poor house and looked in it. The boy was tossing feverishly on his bed. Tossing mean he was moving, ठीक है. So feverishly mean he was shivering, okay, on his bed, and the mother had fallen asleep. She was so tired. बेटा वो उसकी माँ जो थी वो बेटा थक के सो चुकी थी. In he hopped and laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's thimble. Thimble mean उसका thumb के पास जो है बेटा वो जो है रूबी उसके रख देता है. Then he flew gently round the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings. It's mean the little swallow, he had also a very बेटा soft heart like Happy Prince. बेटा उसको अपने विंग्स के साथ उसको हवा देता है. How cool I feel, said the boy. I must be getting better. And he sank into a delicious slumber. Slumber means deep sleep. कहते हैं I'm feeling so good and it seems very better. It's mean I could now he got into a delicious slumber again. दोबारा से बेटा वो सो जाता है. ठीक है बेटा. Okay beta, it's enough for today, and I hope that you have well understood it, and beta learn the similar meanings that I have told you, and read the text again and again. I repeat these words at the end of every lecture so that you pay a heed to this advice, because it is very good for you to read the text again and again. So beta, till next lecture, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz, and beta remember me in your precious prayers.